subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new affordable Narzo series phone in India called Realme Narzo N53 with quite premium looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Realme Narzo N53 features a TOS 6.74-inch HD Plus IPS display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.3% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Uni-SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme Narzo N53 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 8MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W Superbook fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box with Realme T-Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also includes mini capsule feature, which is similar to Apple's dynamic island-like feature. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.3 by 76.7 by 7.49mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Narzo N53 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 24th in feather gold and feather black color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo N53 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.